Good morning. Happy Friday. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Applejacks. Good morning, Amelia. How are you guys this morning? Oh, well, wait. Applejacks, you're doing great. Made my top step withdrawal back. Good. Hey, congratulations. Not you can see now. Good morning. Good morning. So, I've taken. Actually, I don't know how many I've taken. I've taken 3 trades. However, my follower accounts took 4. And it's actually my fault for not even, I actually did not notice at all. Uh, yeah, they actually did not get into my last trade that lost. And in turn, they reversed the position, which ended up working out in my favor, as you can see by the P&L. But it's crazy because the only reason I found out, because for whatever reason, I've been having my orders tab open instead of my positions tab. Don't ask me because I do not know. But when I went to look at my trade copier, because I was going to look at my available drawdown on the account that needs to either blow or at least get back to full drawdown today, I said, wait, why are they green and why are they moving? And that's when I realized I was in a buy. So, yeah, there's that. I guess good problem to have. So yeah, I took 3 trades. I won 1 and lost 2. And it's so weird because one of them is literally the exact same trade that I lost my very first trade yesterday, where it was the alternate divergence to my major level and there was a double bottom middle. Well, yesterday it was a double top middle. Today was a double bottom middle. Now, when I looked yesterday, that had already set up 3 times. The first 2 times it won, and the last time it lost, which was yesterday, and then it lost again today. So now we're break even with that. And thus far, in just looking at the setups, they all look the same. So there's really nothing that I can pull from it to say like, oh, this is if there's a double bottom middle, this needs to be a thing. Because kind of like when I'm just doing my alternate counter trend divergence like this, well, this is regular, but if there's like a double bottom middle, then I need the volume of the swings to be a certain pattern in order for it to work out. I cannot pull out what would make this valid and what would make it invalid. So we might just have to no double bottom, double top middle and leave it at that, because losing the same trade 2 days in a row is not okay. Yeah, and then one of the other trades that I lost, which is kind of low-key, high-key annoying, because I was literally just looking at this yesterday too. I had lost a trade like it yesterday, but it was just a little bit different. Was a little bit different, but the way that that particular trade rotates over my minor level, I don't know if I like. Now, when I looked in the history, I would have to look a little bit further, but I know for sure, like in the back test data that I had for it, it had already set up 3 times, but I don't know from like June 3rd to today how many times it set up. I would have to go look, but it was 3-0. So today would make it 3-1, which is not really break even. So we might just have to chalk that one. But if I go back today and I back test or study and look at that particular setup and see any additional losses from 6.3 to 6.28, we're just going to chalk it, because I just don't like that pattern. So much so that like if there's a pullback to my middle level and it rotates over my minor level with that same pattern, I do not take the trade. So we'll see. But aside from that, that's really it. And I actually, the one win that I had, I almost missed it. Ain't gonna lie, almost missed it because I was looking up stuff for the one that I lost the first trade. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. And Q just gonna go to the moon, I guess. It looks like it. Because what the heck is this? Like, this is crazy. But you know what? It's yesterday, I feel like it was. Yeah, it was last night. Someone came into the Discord. This is crazy. Look at that. That's a breakout right there. Somebody came in the Discord and asked like, are Fridays typically, I don't think they said trending days. I feel like they said choppy days. And I was like, well, in my opinion, Fridays are typically trending days, which is why I can't take divergence trades at the session highs and lows like I normally can Monday through Thursday. Totally work out. But on Fridays, absolutely not. No matter what, it does not work out. It doesn't. And then look at us. Like this, for this to be a 30-second chart, this is insane. The movement on this. But that's Friday for you. That is Friday for your ass. But yeah, so we just finished up medium impact news. We had medium impact news at 8:45 as well. There was literally no movement for the 8:45 one. Like, I actually forgot that there was 8:45 news. And I looked down, I'm like, oh, it's 8:47. But, you know, normally when news is coming, I just start seeing it chopping all around and doing all kind of stuff. And I was like, okay, well, that's that. But like a couple of minutes before the 9 a.m. medium impact news, things started moving. So, yeah, it's the last day of the month too, trading wise. It is. You are absolutely correct. I didn't even think about that either. Y'all, I had to go on that Discord last night and lay the smack down, okay? Because I'm so tired of people coming in there. Is anyone else waiting for a review or waiting for a payout? Yes, motherfucker. If other people are. If you are, other people are. You think you're the last one? You're not, okay? It's like, y'all, please stop using Discord for that. There is no reason for you to come in here every day and ask who's still waiting for a payout. Other people are if you are. This is not the place for that. It's very, just as frustrated as you are for waiting, we are frustrated for seeing you complain about waiting. Control the controllable. There are mods who are still waiting as well, but you don't see them coming in this Discord chat talking about it. Leave it alone. Goodness. You're not going to change your payout time by complaining about it. I promise you. They're not going to reach out to you and say, hey, what's your account number? We're going to approve you today. Jeez Louise. These people drive me nuts. They drive me nuts. I'm over it. And other people are over it too. Because when I made the comment, somebody was like, this. Like, please. Like, oh my gosh. But I did give some good advice. Like, one of the guys who has been driving us crazy since like the 20th, we have timed him out multiple times because we're over it. I'm surprised he has not got banned yet. But come to find out, he's a college student. He was like, and I was dependent on the money. I said, listen. Let me give you a piece of advice from someone who's older, okay? I understand you're frustrated. I understand that you've been looking for this money or needing this money or wanting this money to do certain things, but I can assure you that you are going to drive yourself crazy by complaining about something that you do not control. Control the controllable. If you cannot wait the entire period, split your PAs. Have one set of PAs that you trade for the 1st through the 5th, one set of PAs that you trade from the 15th to the 30th. At the end of the day, they have until the 30th to approve or deny you, period. Everybody can't be first. Everybody can't be last either. There can only be one person that's first and one person that's last. You just so happen to be one of the people that are going to be in the last batch, and it is what it is. No matter how many times you come into the Discord complaining, it's not going to change anything. So what's the point? What do you get out of it? And after I spoke to him like that, he was like, you know what? I understand. Like, because sometimes you just have to, like, listen, child, please, you're driving me crazy. Yes, it's getting really bad. And one of the things that I said in the comment was, y'all do this every payout cycle. And the day after the payout cycle ends, the new one starts, which means that y'all are going to start doing it again because you submitted on the 15th and it's the 18th and people who submitted on the 18th already approved and you not. So what's the y'all, obviously it's not first come first serve. So why do y'all care? Why are you mad? You don't know the process, so just be quiet. So that means that every single day we have to see y'all come in here and complain about the shit, because the payout cycle is literally every day, basically. And I feel like whenever they get rid of the like payout cycle windows, it's not going to change anything. Hey guys, I requested on the 13th. It's the 15th. I haven't gotten an answer. Some dude asked last night, hey, I submitted on I feel like he said 21st. I don't know how that happened. Maybe it was the 21st wherever he was or something. I don't know. Whatever. But he's like, I submitted on the 21st. Should I submit a ticket? And so one of the staff members like, submit a ticket for what? He's like, because I haven't gotten an answer. Okay, well, why are you submitting a ticket? They drive me nuts. They really do. And I'm over it. I did see the Top Step stop taking tickets. They said, yo, we need to catch up. So for now, talk to our bot. And we'll see y'all on Monday. That's what Apex needs to do. Just shut the whole ticket system down. Catch up. Because y'all, at one point, it was like 7,000 tickets, y'all. 7,000. I don't know what the queue is now. But when you think about the number of staff members that they probably have, that is a lot of tickets. A lot. Like one girl was saying like, oh, they need to stop taking orders until they get through the ticket queue. What? Okay. So then what? That's not going to do anything. Now you're just going to have tickets of people asking, why can't I pay for an account? Like, that's not the answer. But my thing is, if you look in the Discord, all of the red names are people who are staff members, okay? There's only like 20 something of them that are at least in Discord. Now, how many people they have as staff that's not in Discord, I have no idea. However, if there are 20 something people on the staff, some of them payout, some of them customer service, whatever. Let's just say that they have 40 staff members. They approved over 8,000 payouts in the last 13 days. If they have 40 staff members, let's say half of them are payout, let's just say 20. To go through 8,000 payouts manually with 20 people, obviously that takes a while. So what exactly are we surprised about? Because I'm confused. I'm just confused. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. All I know is they're driving me crazy. That's what I do know. Let's see, nothing there. I need to look at something real quick. That was it. Oh my goodness. I Can't take this trade because that's why. Is it gonna work out? It is. I didn't want to take it because we were literally right at this zone, and typically I break even there. Maybe I don't have to anymore. I don't know. But it's very interesting to see it just blow straight through. I mean, I guess I could, yeah, it was no point in getting in when one tick, like, really my entry was on the end of the zone, but everything looked how I wanted it to look. We just were too close to this zone. Maybe I don't have to break even there anymore. I don't know, because I feel like I broke even there yesterday and didn't, and it pushed straight through it. Yeah, maybe I don't have to do that anymore. But I know when it's like the change level for my minor level and I'm counter trend, I do have to break even there, but maybe I don't have to with this zone. I don't know. I don't know. Good morning, Rio. Good morning. Good morning. Only thing more annoying than endless DCA questions. Like, just stop adding to losers. It's so simple. What am I Discord? Hold on. I don't know if that's all right, that's a little bit different. Anyway, on my Discord last night, this person came in and said the algo bots are out to get me from Apex and Top Step, thinking about trying a new prop. Amelia. I remember some months ago, some dude came into the Discord. This was months and months ago. And he was like, how do I hide my trades from the Dom or something? And I said, what? He said, yeah, how do I make sure that I hide my orders, like, I guess like iceberg orders or whatever? And I said, why? He said, because the algos, I don't need I said, first of all, do you really think the algos care anything about what you got going on, sir? The algos cannot see your sim account at a prop firm. But I did show him. I think it's in like the NinjaTrader and the chart trader on the ATM, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like you can customize it to put, like, make it where you can't see the order or something. I don't know. But I was just like, bro, are you for real? Y'all got too much time on your hands. Too much time. I can't lie. It was difficult to take that short at 22.41. 22.50. Trailing stop at 22.41. It might get hit, but at least it's your trailing stop. That means you are in profit. All that matters. Girl, you call that man brother safety. You be cracking me up. See, people think that my Lord and Savior, they can never, child. He a cuckoo bird his damn self. Oh, man. People. What is that? Oh, that's just a resistance level. Damn, I wanted to get into that. See, all right, I'm going to, but I feel like I tried to look at that already and it didn't work out. Didn't I already try to do that? It was Friday, I think. All right, we might have to do that because that's gonna make me mad. All right, so this is something I am going to be looking at this weekend. Wait, is that my, oh, that's my middle level. Okay. So this trade right here, I have been seeing it set up so much this week. So we got a alternate divergence pull back to my major level, but the point of control is above it. And most of the time I like it to clear it, right? So one of the rules that I have right now is if it doesn't clear it on the divergence, I would prefer for it to be like in the body of the candle, but it's been wicking, okay? But this is set up so much this week and has won, I think, almost every single time. So it's really bothering me. And I did find out, like, I had stopped taking trades like at my middle and major level when the previous bar is reacting off the bottom of the zone, but come to find out that wasn't my problem. When I made all those adjustments after whatever day that was, and I had a really, really bad day. What was that? Wednesday. When I made the adjustments to my middle and major level trades, I found out that it wasn't this that was the problem at all. As a matter of fact, once I filtered out what was actually causing the problem, all of the, I think in like, well, how much information I do have, because I stopped even recording them, but it was 5-0. So that clearly wasn't the problem. It was something else that was. But this is driving me crazy. So I'm going to have to look and see if I can figure out the pattern that can make sure that when this does not clear, it's okay and it works out. Because when I tell you that trade barely had any drawdown, I mean any, look at this. Entry right here, that's probably like 2 ticks. And just boom, out of there. And I would have gotten filled for sure. So I gotta figure that out. So don't yell at me, Applejacks, because it's not that I did not take it. My rules literally are that if it doesn't clear, it has to be on the body. But we go on this weekend, I'm gonna figure that out because it keeps setting up that way. And I remember when I first started tracking it on Friday of last week, one of them lost like that, but it was because the point of control was right on my major level, which I've since taken out. That was the only level that I was okay with the POC being on. It couldn't be on support resistance, none of the open, high, low, close, none of that. It could only be on the minor, major, or middle levels. But now that I've taken that out, that takes that one away. There's another one from Friday that I would have broken even on because the zigzag changed. So, but I feel like I stopped recording them if they were on the wick. So, yeah. I'm going to look this weekend at that. It sets up way too much for me not to. Wait, was that a... No, that was not. So yeah, we're gonna look at that. Cause that was a nice ass win, I'm not gonna lie. Anyone catch the long earlier? I did not. Good morning, Janelle. Good morning, good morning. No, well, actually I caught it, but well, not right there. I was in a trade like, let me see. I got in like down here somewhere. I think right here where I was stopped out of this trade. My followers reversed on a long and I didn't even know until we were like probably around here. I think I caught it right at the top and got out right before this happened. But man, if I would have held it, those accounts would have been passed. But yeah, I didn't even realize it. So my positions tab is now back open because I would have definitely caught that. But I guess I'm glad I didn't catch it. My system got me in a long at 2,080 and trailed it to 2159. Oh, love my system, but not as much as I love myself. I feel that online safety. Listen, you better talk that shit. That was a nice trade. Very nice trade. Ain't he though? A little hiccup, but I told him. We all told him, you got this. Once you trust your system, that's it. Stews in anger. Wait, why are you stewing in anger? Lady. I literally just told you it has to be in the body. It's not my fault. But I'm going to figure it out this weekend because it's making me angry. I promise. I promise. I promise. It literally says it has to be in the body. I promise. You know I don't lie to y'all because I want y'all to hold me accountable. You know I do not lie. Matter of fact, look. I'm about to show you. This is what it says in that section. These are all my 3 different versions of pullbacks. You can see no clear. If it's divergence or alternate, volume divergence alternate, it has to be in the body. If it does not clear, I'm not lying, bro. I'm not lying. I promise I'm not. All right, let me scroll this. I promise I'm being good. I'm taking every trade today. I do have 3 contracts on for the next trade for that third account. There's like $1,000 in drawdown on it left now, which now I'm thinking my next trade might need to, we only got like an hour left. All right, so we're gonna up this to 5 contracts since we're not really getting setups today because, let's see, we got divided by 2, divided by 93, 98. Yeah, 5 contracts. So I'm risking half of the drawdown. There's no way for me to get into this trade. The PLC can't even get to where I want it to be. Unless it does a no clear, which I don't know about it, the color changing twice. I don't think I've had to deal with that yet. But it looks like it's probably gonna push down here anyway, so we're good. It's only 9:30. Here we go with this zone shit. Alright, that didn't clear either. Y'all know how I feel about trading this god dang on zone. Oh, sorry. That's ghetto. Can't trade there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep changing the contract size until we're done. So this is either gonna blow into two losing trades in a row, or we get back to full drawdown in a few trades. What's the last? So I took trades at 832. That was a loss. 833 was a win. 836 was a loss. That turned into a win for the followers. All right. So my last trade was at 836. This is why you have your positions tab open, because literally I was put into that trade at 836.05 and did not notice it till 838.15. Being in a trade with a mini for 2 minutes and you don't know is insane. But But at least it worked out in my favor, I guess. I don't need that. I don't need that. Alright. I have to figure out that double bottom, double top, middle trade. And if anything, it's just gonna be removed. But I would like to try to figure out what I can do to prevent that. But I really don't think there's a way. When it happened on June 4th, let me see if that was the day that I had a lot of trades. Because like I tell you guys, I don't really care what works well when I have a lot of trades to cover myself. It's the days like today where there aren't very many trades. So if the double bottom, double top, middle is not going to work out on a day where I only have 5 trades for the day, I don't care that it worked out on a day where I have 15 trades for the day. Because I can miss out on a win on a day like that, but I can't be okay with a loss like a day like today. So looks like the 4th was a day with a lot of trades. A decent amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At least like 7 trades. That's not bad. Wait, 1, 2. No. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that was a day with 9 trades, so I could deal with 8 instead. Still end up with a positive P&L, and then today would just be because even yesterday, with the adjustments from yesterday, that was, well, not even really adjustments. That second loss that I had was already, that was the one where I had like a discrepancy on my cheat sheet. And those were my only 2 losses, the one that actually wasn't valid and that one. So, and when it happened yesterday, it was like that was the one that was the big loss, like 21 ticks. So we removed the loss from yesterday. Yeah, I think we'll just do that. I think we'll do that. That would at least make me break even for the day, right? If I remove this, let's see. Yeah, then I would be break even at the moment, which I'm okay with. I still don't really know about that other trade I lost today. I think that pattern is going to have to paint a few more times before, and whether it wins or loses, but it's going to have to paint a few more times for me to know if I just don't want it to rotate over my minor level like that anymore. 271. My black beauties, don't forget I blew my PA, but it was a blessing. We remember, but it was a blessing in disguise. Turning into soup. Why are you turning into soup? Show me on the day I can actually see. Girl. I'm telling you, I ain't lying. Alright, all my levels are in order. See what this next trade brings. I don't want it to be a 1 bar pullback. I could tell you that much. Are you really gonna 1 bar pullback it? Okay. Okay. Nope. PLC stayed too high. It stayed too high. Guess I can. Oh, that's going to put me in multiple trades. Y'all see I got a hanging order too. I knew that was gonna happen. I could tell. And I can't even turn. Please don't make me mad, bro. Hold on, I have to disconnect so that trade doesn't happen. In the process of that, I'm probably gonna miss this setup. I think I got put into double orders. Oh wait, maybe I didn't. Y'all see, I can't even log back into Rhythmic. Alright, there it goes. Alright, well, at least it only put me into one trade because I just knew it was putting me into multiple. But I just missed that sale right there. Now I'm pissed. Now I'm irritated. So I was trying to go for the divergence buy, which obviously didn't work out just now. And actually, I probably need to look. I can't do anything. My damn charts are frozen. And you know what? I'm gonna tell y'all, the loss is actually my fault because I didn't pay attention to the. Wait, no, I think I did pay attention to the volume. Never mind. The volume was where I wanted it to be, but this sale I definitely would have gotten into and I couldn't because everything was frozen. Thanks a lot, Rhythmic, with your trash ass. I could have made all of that back in that trade right there. Stuff like that irritates the fuck out of me because now I don't want to trade anymore. And now the biggest problem is I have to, even if I have a trade that sets up, I can't really do anything because my zigzags are kind of off right now because of me having to restart the program. But I can tell you I would have gotten into this sale. I know that for sure because that's when my charts froze and I for sure would have gotten into that trade. And also when I can't even really journal later. I might have to wait until the market closes because the zigzag's fucked up now. Actually, let me see if I can hold on, cause I'm so irritated. Alright, that's a double bottom middle, so even if that sets up, I'm not doing it. I just lost 2 days in a row with that. Alright, I'm trying to see if I can. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna have to do. Bro, I hate rhythmic so bad. If you guys use Rhythmic and you ever see that orange orders pop up, just close the chart. It's gonna tell you have an open order. Close it. That's the only way to get rid of. I mean, not close the chart. Disconnect your Rhythmic. That's gonna be the only way that you can get rid of it. Hopefully, I don't have any other hanging orders around. All right, so this was a double bottom middle. Let's see what ends up happening. Oh, that would have broke even actually. Never mind. No, I don't know. I don't know anything anymore. Let's see, close 92.75. That's 16 ticks. Yeah, that actually would have lost. So I think we're just gonna get rid of the double bottom, double top middle for this particular divergence to my major level. All right, so I at least have that zigzag back right. I had to open up like another chart with just the wrinkles and just the wrinkles and my indicator that tells me the volume of the swings. I'm so annoyed. All right. Let's see how long we consolidate here before we either push to the top or push through on the bottom side. I need to change the contract size though on the All Alright, so it's 570 left, so I need to go back to 2. And actually, six contracts. If I put 6 contracts on and it loses, it'll blow the account. So would I rather do that? Probably. I'm over today. That really just pissed me off. I'm not gonna lie. $570.98 divided by 93.98. Our loss is 6 contracts. Alright, so I'm gonna do the full 6 contracts on the third account for this trade. That way, if the trade loses, it blows the account, and we're just good there. Then I'll just take it out of my copier and we'll get a fresh account on Monday. Everything is peachy over at Trade of 8. Let me stop before I get banned. You're gonna be the first person I ban. I don't know why that happens sometimes. I can't lie. I don't really get orange orders like that very often, but especially not as often as other people say. The biggest thing for me is just making sure I don't click close a whole bunch of times and all that other stuff. But thankfully, we still got $140 profit in the second account. The first account is kind of fucked, but whatever. Whatever. So at least I know now the bottom the double bottom double top middle from earlier that I lost won't be included anymore. Legit just needed to see it one more time. So I don't really know why the first 2 times it set up it worked out, but the last 3 it did not. Twice today, once yesterday. So I've learned, listen, you only got to show me a few times, baby. It's fine. Unless something really easy to remember too, so no biggie. I'm still gonna take it if it's at my middle level in the double bottom double tops middle for now. And then if that one shows me no, then we just won't do it. Alright, and this is kind of in a weird spot. Is everything showing up right now? Yes, it is. So I'll just do that later. I can pull that account or that chart back up later with the tick replay so I can see the zigzag properly, so I can go ahead and journal right away, because I don't want to wait till the market closes. We got a double top start, so I'll pull back here. I'm actually pretty curious to see how divergence has been playing out on Fridays again. Because at one point I did not used to take the regular divergence at all on Fridays. So I'm curious about that. Not clear there, but it's wick. Very curious. Alright, this is going to be one of the first times I take a no clear at this level, but we're gonna do it because why not? Oops, now it cleared, which I don't want it to do. Order submitted? Why is it not showing on the fucking charts? Bro. What? Oh yeah, we're done here, guys. We're done. How do I have orders filled and I can't see shit on my charts? Until seconds later? Come on. I wasn't even filled on the followers at all. Thankfully, I saw that, but it didn't even show in my positions tab at all. The only reason, when it finally showed up on the charts, I had the orders tab open and I saw that the 2 orders were still going that were not filled. What the fuck is going on? Is anybody complaining in the Discord? People complain every fucking day, but oh shit, my cousin called me. Cause what is this? Like y'all watch me every morning. I don't deal with this shit. Anyone else getting rhythmic lag? Yeah, me actually. This is so weird. And I'm one of the people they cannot tell is my internet. Well, something went on with the copier or rhythmic. I had a ghost order, had to DC and RC, then it entered a bunch of positions soon as it reconnected. Have it recorded, but I'd expect some people to say something. Oh, that was at 9:19. Something. Alright, we're gonna try this one more time. I don't know why I'm torturing myself by doing this, because I just feel like I need to get off. You know what? Maybe okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna stop trading on. I'm only gonna trade the account that I need to fail today. 22. All right, let's do this. Let me unlock my trade copier. Turn that off so we don't have to deal with that. Turn that on, and hold on, give me a second, y'all. This is fucking stupid. But I don't care about chancing it on the account that I need to be gone anyway, so hold on. It's 24, right? Yeah. Now, the only thing I don't need them to do, because they will screw me if they do this, is if there is a rhythmic issue and they have to reset the accounts, it's going to screw me like it did last time. They're going to have to close my account or reset it, which is going to give me a brand new account number, which is going to piss me off because y'all literally just had to do it for this account as well. So that'll fucking piss me off. But besides that, let's do it, I guess. I'll do 3 contracts instead of 6. We'll just do half and leave it at that. Jeez Louise. Alright, let's see. Sorry. Waiting for a good A+ setup today. Trading real money like a psychopath today. Oh yeah, you real crazy. Alright, I don't know how I feel about that. We're watching a telenovela on Hulu. Awful acting, so freaking. What is it called? The bad acting is always hilarious. But if you're complaining, it has to be a bunch more. Usually you be chilling. This looks like a great place to buy. Yeah, I'm usually chill because I don't really deal with stuff like that. But this is insane to me, like real life insane. I think I might have just missed that trade. I don't fucking know. I'm so irritated right now. I did miss that, actually. That's okay. And it was a full win too. You're right on here. I missed this one. I missed it only because I didn't want to look down at my cheat sheet. I wanted to kind of remember what I have to do with the double top middle, and it was exactly what I thought. It's all good though. By the time I confirmed it, the trade was gone. It is what it is. But yeah, this is... I'm not gonna get too angry because what did I tell y'all earlier? You control the controllable, but it's just irritating because I really truly hate Rhythmic, and I've hated Rhythmic since I beat, what the fuck? Since I ever got an account. All right. Honestly, right now I'm just trying to blow the account, if I'm being honest. I'm just ready to be done. How much left do I have? I'm just going to take another trade and just let it go because we're going to get off of here early. I'm so irritated. I don't want to deal with this anymore. I don't. Yeah, I'm just over it. I'm just gonna take anything. Actually, I'm gonna try for a trade that I know shouldn't work out. Like this one. Is it blown yet? It should be. Let me see. Why is it not in admin only? The shit ain't even in admin only yet. But I know it's blown because the balance is at 47.42. So, but I want to see it say admin only because I'm gonna be pissed if I get off right now and for whatever reason the system doesn't catch it, which it should. But let's just do another one just cause. All right, now it put it in admin only. Like, why did I even have to do that? This shit is retarded. All right, yeah. Girl, now you quiero Taco Bell. Everything will be... Oh yeah, Scooby. I was just trying to just blow the account. I'm irritated with today, so we're just gonna leave it there, and I'm probably... Yeah, I'm just gonna log off. I'll do all of my journaling and stuff tomorrow because I'm just so irritated that I don't even want to look at the charts anymore. When I start having issues like that, I'm cool with losing. Y'all know I'm cool with losing, but to have issues is a whole nother thing, and I don't feel like dealing with it. So let me just show you guys the accounts for today, and then I'm out of here. I will at some point. It'll probably be tonight. I'm gonna I'll journal tonight because tomorrow I don't want to look at charts. So I'll journal tonight and leave it at that. All right, so we went ahead and blew this account. Cool. Was just slightly, well, I guess that's not slightly, but just negative $114 on account 22, up $140 on account 23. Account 22 actually renews on next Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, next Friday. So depending on how, let me see, I'm missing $900 in drawdown. So I'll probably just, but next week is a holiday. So what I'm probably going to do is just trade normal the beginning of the week, and then on Friday do like I did today and just multiply the contracts to see if I can just get it back to, no, not Friday, because it has to fail by the 3rd, I believe. So we'll see what Monday and Tuesday looks like. But Wednesday is a half day, which I don't trade half days, so probably I'll trade normal on Monday, and then Tuesday I will multiply the contracts to see if I can get it back to full drawdown. If not, I'll just purposely fail it so that it can renew on Friday, and we'll leave it there. I don't know just yet if I'm going to trade account 24 starting on Monday. You guys know I usually wait a whole week before I start trading the accounts, but I feel like with the $2,500 in drawdown, I don't really need to do that anymore. It was more important on the 25Ks just to make the $1,500 in drawdown last a while, but we'll see. And especially with next week being probably a slow week because of the holiday, I might just wait until the following week just because like it's going to be a fresh account. Why even chance it on a week like next week? But we'll see. I don't know. Go drink some water and then continue. Oh no, baby, we're done. You're sad you're not short. Yeah, I'm done. We're not even gonna do this anymore. But yeah, so that's where we're at. I hope you guys enjoyed the short stream. And I thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.